Okay, so I had a request yesterday to record some videos on how to back up your WordPress website. There's a few different levels to backing up your WordPress website, and I'll go over all three of them. The first one is revisions. Whenever you're editing a post, let's go ahead and open up the post. Inside your post screen, you'll see a box called revisions. If that's not ticked, go ahead and tick that. And somewhere in your page, there'll be a whole lot of revisions. So what you can do is, if you're editing a page and you make a mistake and you break everything, you can go through your revisions and see what changes you've made that may have caused that break, and then just go ahead and restore that. So that's basically the first level of backups, I suppose you'd call it. The next level of backups is exporting content. So in most cases, you'll get to export the posts and pages and any other theme related content that you might have on your WordPress website. And where you might want to do this is if you're rebuilding your website and you've got it on a little temporary website and you've got your new theme on there and you just want to take all your content and put that onto your new theme. This generally happens if you're upgrading from wordpress.com to wordpress.org. You just take the content, place it on your new theme, and then tidy it up once you're finished with it. To do that, you just go through, export any content that you want, and it will give you an XML file. Don't change the file name. Put it somewhere you think it's going to be relevant, and then later on you can go back into your new WordPress website and import all your content back in there through WordPress import. You do need to install it for the first time. Go ahead and place that file back in there, and then you would upload and import it. Make sure that you select the right user to import it to. I'm not going to go ahead and import this. Now the third level of backing up your WordPress website, and probably one of the most important, is taking an exact replica of your WordPress website, including your themes, your plugins, your post content, your settings, basically an exact snapshot of exactly how your WordPress website is now, and storing that somewhere so that later on, if you ever need to upload it and restore a new copy, for whatever reason you might have broke your website, and you go ahead and take these two files that we're going to create. So to do this and to show you how it works, I'm just going to switch over to a smaller website just because things will happen a lot faster. Go ahead and go into your plugin section and click the add new plugin. Type in Duplicator. Install Duplicator. It's by Life in the Grid. Really good plugin. Been using it for a while. It's free, 100% free, and always kept up to date. Go ahead and activate the plugin. Once it's activated, down here you'll see a little Duplicator tab. Don't worry about settings, tools, or support. You don't need them. It's already done for you. Go into Duplicator, go to the Create New page. And here sometimes your requirements will fail and that'll basically stop you. If that happens, take a screenshot of this, hand it over to your web host nicely, and ask if there's anything that they can do to help resolve any failed results that may come back. You can't go any further if that happens. Go ahead and click Next to scan your website, and it'll start scanning. It'll bring up some warnings. Now, for the most part, these are just warnings, and you can actually bypass them, and a lot of times things will just work. For example, it's showing large files, and I know this is WooCommerce because it's a little bit bigger than their cutoff size, but you know, 6.35 megabytes isn't a lot of room, isn't a lot of storage. And the overall size is only 42 megabytes anyway, so I mean, that's my entire WordPress website right there. And all you need to do from there is go ahead and build it. Now once it's built, it'll give you access to two files. You can download them here straight away while you've got it open, or you can click and go back to all packages, which is the same as going back up here. In here it'll have your backup packages, how big the file is. They actually managed to get it down to 26.3 megabytes. That's this entire WordPress website, files, databases, content, and it'll give you two packages. An installer package is just a file that holds the information to what's inside the zip folder and how to handle it, etc. Go ahead and download both of these. Somewhere safe. Don't change any file names while you're doing it. If you need to put it somewhere relevant, put it inside a folder and name that folder. And that's basically it. You now have a complete copy, once it's finished downloading, of course, of your WordPress website. A couple of things on that. I found that widgets don't always end up back in the sidebars. A lot of times you'll find them down in the inactive widgets menu. It's probably what happened to this menu here. But that's basically it. 3 levels backing up a WordPress website, starting with working with revisions and just knowing that you're able to switch back and forth if you're just editing post content. The second level is backing up your WordPress content to be able to move that into a new theme or just have a copy of it. The last level is taking an exact snapshot of where your WordPress website is today or at that time and downloading those files so that you can re-upload them later if you have to.